When the cowboy sings songs, stories, and
Would you
lyrics.
believe I've got a song about a product that I have been familiar with all of my life? I was born thirsty and found it right off. It is called white lightning, although some folks have called it moonshine. Down where I come from, we used to call it elephant whiskey. The reason being is that it only took about 3 drinks. Then you run right to the house and see if you could throw a trunk out the window. Or a briefcase, in case you would want to be brief. I think you have told enough of the history of the song. Why not sing it for the folks at this time? I will. Thank you. Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy, and he had him still. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down, and then he'd fill up a jug and he'd pass it around. Mighty, mighty pleasin', my pappy's corn squeezin. White lightning. Where he made his brew, they were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. Pappy why he called his brew a white lightning instead of Mountain Dew. Well, I took one little sip and right away I knew, because my eyes bugged out and my face turned blue, and all that lightning started flashing and that thunder started crashing. White lightning. A G-man, a river knew his dude. They were searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. White lightning. That's a chicken. Well, a city slicker come and he said, I'm rough. He said, I believe I'll have a drink of that powerful stuff. Well, he took one little sip and then he drank it right down. I heard him moaning as he lay there on the ground. He said, Lord, it sure is pleasing, your pappy's corn squeezin. White lightning. The T-men, G-men, a revenues too. They were searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him. My pappy kept on cooking. White lightning.